Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the Chum Salmon in Heartopia game. Okay, this is how the Chum Salmon looks like, and I'm going to show you guys where you can catch this fish. Basically, it's a special fish because we can only catch this fish during the rainbow event, as you can see here. And for the source, it's from the Tranquil River. So just go to the Tranquil River here, guys. Let me show you the location on the map. Okay, it's near the Amethyst Beach. Okay, and you can just fish here, but remember, you can only catch this fish during the rainbow event. Okay, you can check the schedule on your watch. I catched this fish this morning, guys, during the rainbow event. But now seems like there's no rainbow event schedule for this week. Okay, so you can wait for it. You can wait until the rainbow event is coming and go to the Tranquil River to catch the Chum Salmon. Okay guys, and that's all about the Chum Salmon in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!